Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. So it's like 11:45 on Monday. You're seeing this video on Wednesday. Here is our little tree. It's teeny tiny, but sorry, wrong light. We have like 5 million lights in here. There we go. We have our cute little, we have like a tree on top of a tree. I just noticed that. I don't like that. My mom needs to put a star up here or something. And we have this, so this used to be my tree, as I was talking about, and I don't know if we're gonna get a new one or not. We may just leave this one. Look at me when I was little. Such an old picture. And look at little Red. When he had spiked hair and classes in 2003, 5th grade. Precious. But yeah, so this is our little tree. I am actually about to make some food. I'm going to make a chicken patty and make it into like sandwich form. So let's go ahead and 350. Okay. These are the ones we ate for lunch yesterday. They were actually really good. I'm trying to find, here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this. This is not dirty, it's just old. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me set this right here. Set our timer for 20 minutes. I'll come back and flip that in 10 when it's halfway done. While that's cooking, I am going to watch like a couple of videos and then eat lunch, and then I'll probably turn this back on because there's dishes in the sink. Oh, so these are the cookies I made. As y'all saw, we had like a lot left because there was so many desserts. So there's that. Actually, while I have this on and my dad's not here, because I don't know if he's gonna stay here or not at lunch, and it's always like weird vlogging when someone's home because they're always having on the TV. I'm gonna show y'all. Well, I was gonna show y'all the decorations that we got for the party. I don't know what my mom did with them. Are they over here? Wait, no. Where are the decorations at? She said they were in here. And now that's really weird. It's super weird. Okay, just kidding. I don't know where they are. We have a bunch of decorations. Oh, well, here's some, actually. Oh, here they are. Okay. Just kidding, I found them. Okay, so here is the banner we are going to use. It says, she said yes, in like gold and silver glitter. So cute. I love that. It's like my favorite thing. And then we have bags. These are going to be like favor bags that we're putting, we're going to put like ring pops, Hershey Kisses, and popcorn in there to say like he popped the question. And then this is just another package of those. And then these are adorable little ring stickers I found. They have like a stone at the top, on top of them. And then we got paper bags, paper bags just in case. Like we didn't like the plastic ones or the clear ones. And then more stickers. And then this is a This is a card. So, found the decorations, which is awesome. Let me put them back over here so my mom can find them. So yeah, I'm gonna go watch a couple videos and then eat, and I will check back in with you guys later. You'll see this on, today's Monday, you'll see this on Wednesday, and I also need to edit, sorry, trying to find light. I also need to edit tomorrow's video, so I'm probably gonna do that after I eat. Not sure yet. I still have a lot of Vlogmas videos to catch up on watching too. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'll check in with you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys. Front door. I would go outside, but it's cold. And then you walk in, and this is like our little foyer area, if you will. This is a closet. Just has like coats and stuff in it, and then like wrapping paper, umbrellas, vacuum cleaner, random stuff like that. And then we have a Dazzy. Then we have Dazzy. And we have a little hallway right here, which leads into my room, which y'all have seen a million times. This is my bed, obviously. TV and like little dresser type of area. Potential spot for a mirror. This is like my little desk where I keep my laptop and stuff when I'm charging it and not watching videos. Over here is my closet, which I've already shown y'all. Like, how cute. I just can't get enough of these shoes. I've already shown y'all my closet before, so I'll just do a quick little overview of it for y'all. I am freezing. Then in here is our bathroom, which y'all seen a little bit of. Sink, and then I have like my little tray with my jewelry and all that over here. My little Holy Chic sign, me, hey. Toilet, and then shower area, cute little D sign. And here is the living room. This couch is really comfy. Here we have our TV. My dad's little messy area over here that he needs to clean up, where he keeps all of his crap. Christmas tree. This is our dining area, where my dad kind of like works here. But this is our table and our little Christmas decorations over here. This goes outside to our patio, which I wasn't going to go out here, but why not? Patio. Woo, it's cold. I'm not going out there. And then obviously y'all have seen the kitchen a million times. Why do people leave trash out? Like, it's not that hard to throw trash away. So this is our pantry. The only thing I don't like about this is our pantry is really dark. We do not have a light. So that's the only thing I don't like. This is our, like, this is where your washer and dryer is supposed to go. But we got rid of ours because it was broken. So we had a storage building. But it was honestly kind of a waste of money, because once we got rid of our washer and dryer, we could just move all of our stuff that we had out there into this like closet area. So along with our hot water heater, we have all of this stuff. Some Christmas presents, Christmas tree boxes, like suitcases, like old like paperwork with bills and stuff. A lot of stuff. refrigerator, oven, microwave, cabinetry. I just love that word, cabinetry. Our cute toaster. How cute is that? That's kind of like our color scheme for the paint for the kitchen. Like we have paper towel holder in the same color and everything. And then we have our sink, our dishwasher, which we have not used. I don't know why. And then leaving here, you have the master bedroom, parents' bed, TV, little shelf, full-length mirror that I steal from my mom a lot because I don't have one, as y'all know. And then these are just like her little DIY nightstand because she doesn't have one. And this is their wedding pic. Like, how cute were they? I don't know if you can really see. Look at my dad. And then here is mom. Beautiful. They need to hang that up. My mom has like nothing on her walls and it drives me crazy. Like, she even has this cute little clock. Not sure why she hasn't hung that up. And then in here is their bathroom. So they have, the only thing I would change about this bathroom is I would do double sinks. I think it's weird that the master bathroom only has one sink. My mom needs to clean her mirror. It's dirty. And then, you know, shower. Same layout as mine, except they have drawers and I don't. I just have cabinets. It's weird. And then in here, okay, there's so many doors. Like, you have a door here, and here, here. It's like bam, bam, bam. Here is their little, like, closet for toiletries and whatnot. And then in here is the biggest closet. Really dark. This lighting is awful. But yeah, I'll try to do my best to get the most of it. It just has, you know, clothes everywhere. But yeah, so that is our apartment for the most part. Sorry, I'm eating candy. Have y'all had Christmas sweet tarts? These are so good. They're like red and green Christmas trees and frosties and all that. So yeah. Sorry, this vlog was probably boring compared to the one that I just uploaded a couple of days ago. But I wanted to give you guys a tour because I know that y'all have been waiting for one. So I wanted to do that. I am freezing and I'm not sure why. Probably because it's cold outside. There's some good candy. But anyways, remember to go back and watch my other videos to find out how to win the giveaway. And I'll probably need to link that in the description box, but whatevs. Yeah, so you all go and watch those and make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in Vlogmas, which I'm not sure what we're going to do. I know we have Saturday's the engagement party, Friday's the Christmas parade. So I'll have good footage for sure on those days. But other than that, I'm not sure. I was going to do like my tree video. But since we have it over here, I'm not sure how that's going to work. But yeah, I'm going to wrap this up. I love you guys and I'll see you soon. Bye. Bye guys.